Raindrops are falling on my head.
You ready? Let's go!
How did this peaceful guy, minding his own business, reading his magazine, end up in this chair with those teeth? Mistakes. We're all too familiar with them.
Raindrops are falling on my head. And just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done. He's sleeping on the job, and those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to greet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me.
So I was just filming the subway train. I thought I could flip the screen while filming, but I can't because it's an iPhone. Damn you, iPhone. Last week, well, a week and a half ago, busted my two front teeth running through a shopping mall in the early morning in Jakarta. We're staying in this amazing hotel, my favorite lounge in the world. They have this amazing lounge at the Keraton. Awesome hotel, and the lounge is like 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., full menu, full bar the whole time. Pretty amazing. Great time, but it busted my teeth running in my running shoes in a shopping mall, and that was stupid. Fell flat in my face. Apparently, I hit the floor twice, got knocked out, knocked unconscious, and so I don't actually remember the actual incident. So I must have hit the floor. I was running in my running shoes in a mall, so they were springy, you know, like they're designed to actually run on the road. So I'm never going to wear my running shoes walking around again. Stupid lesson. Couldn't change my flight back because I was using miles and there were restrictions on it. Finally got back to Singapore like 4 days after that. Broke my teeth running in a mall. Yeah, I guess I was running pretty fast. Anyway, going to the dentist, emergency, accidental dental, and see what we can do. And I had my two front teeth were just broken in half. I have caps, so I got temporary caps right now. Going back in like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks for the permanent ones. So I got the mold taken, now I'm waiting for the permanent ones. So there you go, there's an update on what I'd been doing for past week and a half, I guess. Well, that's not all I was doing. But that was the unusual thing that happened.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. The cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.